is the start of the new computer. We got some more junk down here. We got ODB still down there. But this is what we're going to be unboxing today. And as we unbox other stuff to put into the Silent Base, we'll be making little videos on that too. Piecing together the computer, piece by piece. I don't have everything yet. Still waiting on stuff. That's why we're going to be doing this little at a time. Taking our time, making sure it's right. But now, let's go ahead and get this thing out the box. We'll be right back. In case y'all don't know, it's a pen. It's a knife. It's a pen knife. The best type of knife ever. Alright, we got it set up. Now for the big reveal. It has nice packaging. Doesn't look like it got damaged yet. Oh yeah. Not no black and yellow. Black and orange. I don't know if they make a song about that. Black and orange, black and orange. I don't know how hippie that is. And here we go. Here's the case. Be quiet. Oh, what's this? Oh. Can we get that sticker off? We'll get it off eventually. But we got a spot here for the feet. Here's the bottom filter. Bottom feet will stuck onto the styrofoam. Looks like the top I/O stuff. And the back. Which I originally thought was the bottom until I scratched my desk. But it's all good. We're going to put her together eventually. And there we go. The feet have been installed, which gives you pretty good clearance at the bottom. Enough for good airflow. We're going to see how this does for airflow. I don't think it's going to be very good for my front radiator. So I'll probably end up leaving the front panel off. But all in all, looks pretty good. Now let's open it up and see what we got in there. So here we go from the factory. Not looking too bad. We got our fan controller. We got some wires pre-ran in there. Let's open up the other side. So while I'm messing with it, I found out how to get the bottom filter out. Just come in here. Look how easy that is. So can't leave anything in front of that. And to get the front off, just pull straight up. Pull straight up and pull it off. And we got our more fans in there. And another filter. Let's put this right here. See how easy this filter is to get out. Oh, that's easy. Easy peasy to clean that thing. And that's where my radiator is going to be sitting. We got a box up top, a fan in the back, a couple fans in the front. The front fan is going to be moved around because we have a radiator for up front. That's going to be fun to install. We got us a cabinet down here. Got to open that up. So let's open up this box, see what's in it. Inside the box, looks like the hard drive trays. So we got some of them in there, some shock mounts, just some more hardware, screws, cable management, little stuff. Alright, so that tape was just holding down these covers, which we're going to be taking off. Because we're going to be putting probably fans down there. I have to look at my design I made. Try and refigure out what I did. But as for right now, those are coming off. And it's just going to be open. which gives us room right here for our radiator to sit down in. Alright, I took off the top, 6 little screws, and if I took out these 2 screws right there, I should be able to slide out this tray. We're going to try that next. Here's the top. You can see where the push button spring mechanism will release the top. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Maybe I should put it back together. I don't know. Let's keep digging. So the manual says it can hold one 120 or 140 millimeter fan, but we have spots for 3 different ones. We've only got vents for 1. So these vents are very, very small too. So we're going to see how that works. Will it just blow up back in? Will it actually blow out of the vents? Will these 2 be interrupted or blocked by the motherboard? And I'll have to use this one, and then the fan will have to go, or the air will have to go from here out here. We don't know. But we're going to test it out. We haven't got all our fans in yet, but we will be. I'm going to put the latches back on the top, put that all back together. And this is my unboxing for the Silent Base 801. I still got to take these fans out. I might leave this fan in here. I think that one's going to stay. But these 2 are coming out. So I've got my radiator. I'm going to put that in. I've got my motherboard. That's going in. I got my processor. That's going in. I got my power supply. So that only leaves a few things left before this thing is ready to go. Alright, last update. When I was taking off the fans, this little rubber washer, they've got glue on one side. So I don't know if it's pre-glued or whatever, but kind of weird. Makes me feel like it's not going to stick back next time I do it. But I've taken out the fans, and we are ready to put in the motherboard next. There's the fans, ready to go. What I'm going to be trying to do, spoiler alert, is do a push-pull configuration for my radiator, because that's going on my CPU. And I'm going to use this controller to control the 6 fans on it. At least that's the plan. So we'll see how it works out. But that wraps it up. My name's Tick. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up on your way out. And I'll try to bring y'all some more. Have a good one.